Hi and welcome to video 4 of the Big Build demo series. In this video we're going to discuss how a client, having found a team page that they're interested in, can submit a project request to a team leader. We're then going to view the request just created, and we're going to send a project message from the client to the team leader in relation to that specific project. We'll then discuss how a project can flow from initial request all the way through to completion. So without further ado, we'll press the Create Request button we saw on the team page in our last video. This will take us to a multi-step form. This form should be filled out by clients seeking to book a team for a project on Big Build. It guides them in providing the information that a team leader will need in preparing for their proposal for the project. First of all, the client should provide background context about their company, their objectives, their goals, their products and services, and any locations that they operate within. Next, the client should provide information about the project itself in terms of what do they want to be achieved, what do they want success to look like, and how do they want the project to be structured as well. Next, they need to fill out information about their expected solution. So what would be the scope of work for this project? What kind of activities does the client expect the project team to be performing during this project? Next, they include information about their estimated timelines for the project. When do they think the project will start, and when do they think that the project should end? They can also include information about specific deliverables which they want the team to submit to them by the end of the project or during the course of the project. They should also include information in their request about the team that they expect to be included in the proposal. How many team members, what different levels of seniority, what skills do they need the team to have, and also what roles do they expect the team members to perform on this project. Once they're ready, they can give the project a name. And then they can get ready to prepare for proposals. So they can provide guidelines to the team leader about what they should include within their proposal. They can provide a project budget. They can give a project type. In this case, we'll go for time and materials. And then they can set out their evaluation and award criteria. How are they going to assess proposals, and how will they award the contract to a team leader? Finally, they can include information about their procurement schedule. So, when do they expect proposals to be submitted? And when do they expect to make a decision about which proposal they're going to confirm? Once they've filled out their request for the project, then they can click Submit, and it will be sent to the team leader. We can see Diana's got a few requests out. This is the one that we just created. It's got Cyber Project as the name. We can see the team leader here, the team page, and we can see the request. We can also click here to view messages between this team leader and this client in relation to this specific project. We can send a message to the team leader and say, "Hi, I sent you a request for a project. Let me know if you have any questions." So now Diana sent a message to Phil in relation to this project request. If we go back to our project section, where we previously saw our request. We can discuss how a project goes from initial request all the way through to completed. When a client sends a request to a team leader, the team leader has a choice to make. They can either decline the request and choose not to submit a proposal for the project, or they can choose to propose the project, and if they choose to do so, when they send the proposal, it will be included in this proposed project section. When a client receives a proposed project from a team leader, they then have a decision to make. They can either choose to decline the proposal, or they can choose to confirm the proposal received. If they choose to confirm the proposal then becomes an agreed contract between the parties. Either party may choose to cancel the project over the course of the project, but there may be penalties that will apply to either side. A project can be moved into the completed section if and when all payments have been made and all work included in the agreed project has been delivered. So that's it in terms of the submitting a request for proposal to a team leader. In the next video, we're going to discuss how a community member can apply to become a team leader on the Big Build platform. We're also going to see how a team leader, having been approved, can create a team page, which they can list on the Big Build platform. Thank you for listening and looking forward to the next video.